Hey guys, I'm Tatiana from Quirky Tatiana, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do my updated makeup look, because it's been a while. The last time I did a makeup look was 2 years ago in 2017, so yeah. But before we get on to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button that is down below. And while you're at it, make sure to hit the notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload new videos. Alright, now that that's been said, let's get on to the video. First things first, I have to get all of my hair out of my face. And my hair is extra curly today because I just washed it, so that's what first day hair is like, my natural curly hair. Alright, so that's relatively out of the way. Now I can start with my, what's it called? Foundation? Foundation and concealer. Foundation and concealer. This is not really foundation. I was about to say foundation. Don't know why. This is BB cream, which I always use, and then concealer, which covers my dark circles on my under eyes. You see my dark circles? Yeah, so let's do that. So I start off by applying this under my eyes. And then continue by applying my BB cream everywhere. Notice how I haven't blended this, so. Once I do that, I like to blend everything, so. Once all of my imperfections have been hidden, as you can see, my face looks perfect now. I'm going to apply some blush. Now, I say blush, it's not really blush, it's more of an eyeshadow, but it's like the best color that works with my skin. Now I have like a natural red face, so like I'm usually red from like this part of my nose, like over here, like this nice piece of chunk right here of my face, so like my cheekbones? I forgot what they're called. Leave a comment down below. Yeah, but right here, it's always really, really red. So I like to make it look natural, so I don't like put the blush like just like right there. I like to spread it out to make it look like it was like my actual natural red face. So I put the blush on right here, some right here, like, if that makes any sense. So I simply take some red on my finger, and then I smile, and then I apply some to right there. Yeah, so go. Once I finish looking like Santa's elves, I then begin to spread it out. So I can't find my sponge. I will find it and then I will spread it out. So yeah, there it is. And if I think I applied too much, I simply just put a little bit more foundation over it. Like very, very small amount, just to cover up some redness of the blush that I applied, to make it look more natural. Because I don't like it looking like I have like globs and globs of makeup on, because I just think that's gross. That doesn't work for me either, because I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how to describe it. I'm more like it doesn't look good on me. Like globs and globs of makeup, that's just not my thing. So that's why. And then next up is the eyeshadow. So I wear eyeshadow now, not every day. I mean, this is called my everyday makeup routine, but it's more like my makeup routine of whenever I actually feel like wearing makeup, because I hardly get any sleep for school, so I prefer sleeping in as much as I can rather than waking up early and doing my makeup, so you get me? So yeah, for this part, I use very neutral tones, so they're like closer to the color of my skin, I guess. They're like from this side. Where is it at? right here. I like to apply this color first. So then I'm gonna do that right now. Maybe just take some on my little tiny brush, and then I apply some to my eye. So. Can you see the difference? I don't know if you can. I can't really see because the lighting's really bad in here. But yeah, now I'm gonna repeat the same thing to my left eye. Once I finish with that part of the eyeshadow, I like to do a darker color. So like this is the lighter colored eyeshadow, and then I like to do a darker color on the crease of my eye, which would be this one right here. Once I apply that, apply it onto my brush because I haven't applied it onto my face. I like to put in the crease of my eye, so like right here. Let me see. Right here. As you can see, it brings out my eye a bit more. So I really like the way that looks. Now that I've done that to my right eye, I'm going to repeat the same thing on my left eye. Apply the darker shade of brown onto the crease of my eye. So yeah, I think that looks good. So now it's time for mascara. Well, here I have my organic wear. I've been using this for so long I don't even know the name of it. How nice. But yeah, I start off with the white one all the time, and then I transition to the green one. Put a layer of this one and a layer of this one, and it just makes my eyelashes pop. So that works for me. Once I finish my mascara, then it's time to fill in my eyebrow. So I'm gonna use mascara to do that because it just works fine for me. So yeah. Let's do that. See, it just makes my eyebrow look more defined and better. Because look at this one. This one's all like bleh. See, it makes a big difference filling in your eyebrows. I used to not fill in my eyebrows, but now I see it makes a huge difference. So yeah. Now on to the left side. Yep, there it is. And since it is natural makeup, I'm just going to apply some lip gloss. So, because I don't want to put red lips or pink lips or like make my lips pop. I just want a very subtle look. So yeah. So yeah, here's a completed look. Now I can put my hair down. So there's my completed makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to leave me a comment down below if you guys like to see me do more makeup videos or more beauty videos in general. If you guys like to see more beauty videos, make sure to click up here. If you guys like to see more of my videos in general, then make sure to click down here. And if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, then make sure to click the button that's right there. Just go click and you'll be subscribed. Alright, thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you all next week. Bye!